A 5.5 times income mortgage is a type of mortgage loan that allows you to borrow a higher multiple of your salary when you buy. Typically, lenders allow you to borrow between 4 to 4.5 times your income. So being able to borrow up to 5.5 times your earnings can significantly increase the amount you can borrow. Say you and your partner's household income totals £60,000. With a standard mortgage, a lender may offer you a loan of up to £270,000. But with a 5.5 times mortgage, you could borrow up to £330,000. That means you'll have boosted your buying budget by £60,000. Lenders are taking a greater risk in lending a higher income multiple, so it's not available to anyone. In order to qualify, you must meet the eligibility criteria. There are 3 different customers that might fit a 5.5 times income mortgage. Let's run through them. If you work in a professional role, for example, as a doctor, solicitor, or accountant, lenders are willing to lend more to people in these professions because they take into account the unlikelihood of them being out of work in the future, and that future earnings are likely to stay stable or actually increase over time in a professional career path. Similarly, key workers are seen as low risk by lenders, so if you're a nurse, paramedic, teacher, policeman, or similar, there could be an option for you too. To qualify, all applicants need to be first-time buyers and earn above a certain income level. For solo applicants, this means earning at least £37,000 or above. If you're buying with a partner, you must collectively earn at least £55,000. You'll also need to be permanently employed and have a good credit history. If you're lucky enough to earn a high income, typically over £100,000, it's likely there will be lenders that will increase your borrowing above the typical 4.5 times. As before, you'll need a good credit score. Like with any mortgage, there are things you need to consider before taking out a 5.5 times mortgage. Borrowing more increases your debt and repayments. It's important that you don't overstretch yourself financially as a household, so always run a mortgage calculator and speak to a professional to make sure you're comfortable with what the monthly repayments would be with your additional borrowing. You cannot be self-employed. In order to qualify for a 5.5 income mortgage, you must be permanently employed and have 12 months of employment history, so it's not suitable for self-employed people or sole traders. To see if you're eligible for a 5.5 times mortgage, create a free Tembo plan at tembomoney.com. It takes just 10 minutes to complete and there's no credit check involved. At the end, you'll get a personalised recommendation of which buying schemes you're eligible for and how much they could help you boost your budget by. Let's make home happen.